Yeah, hi, is that trend support? Yeah, hi, I got this really old LanTEK too. Yeah, right, yeah. Yeah, no, 13 years ago. No, still working just fine. No, just need to get it calibrated.
Yeah, right. Good luck with that, buddy. Dream on. They're never going to calibrate a certifier that old. They're going to make you buy a new one.
Yeah. Do you guys still service and calibrate certifiers this old? Yeah, great. That would be a great help. You could turn it around in 2 days? Excellent. A loaner, really? Yeah, that's fantastic. Yeah, no, that's the address. Today? Great. All sorted.
Seriously? They're going to calibrate a 13-year-old certifier and give you a loaner?
Seriously, these trend guys are really good.
I don't believe it. My guys forced me to buy a new one. They said that they weren't going to calibrate it anymore, even though it was just a few years old. They said it was obsolete, and they even told the cable suppliers that they weren't going to warranty it anymore either.
It's too bad. I'm gonna go get this loaner sorted before Trent picks this up. Take care.
I wish mine did that. Wish yours did that? Time to go blue.